the frog hopping task. Now, once you've made your frog, the fun begins. We're going to see how many books your frog can jump over. I'll try a yellow frog first. I've got 4 books there. Oh, he's landed on top. That counts. What about green frog? Ah, easily. So, I want to see how high they can. So the next thing I do is I add another book and keep going until I can't get over. In your book, you can record your results. The first task, my frog can jump over how many books? Challenge, that is how high. You might be able to use your ruler to measure it. The second task is even much more fun. We're going to see how far he can jump. We're going to have 8 attempts. So I need a table drawn up something like this. And then we're going to do 8 jumps. Welcome to the task 2, the frog jumping in distance challenge. My frog starts at a line. I'm using a old piece of red paper, and then I'm going to see how far he can jump off the paper. So, starting off with his flippers, level with the line, and ta-da! Now, what makes it easier? I'm going to use a tile, and I'm going to say, whoop, that's his nose. I'm going to measure from there to there. Now, if I do that, I'm going to use centimetres today. Grade 5/6s might use millimetres, or even you can. They're just smaller, better measurements. It's longer than my ruler. I've started at 0. And, how do I work that out? This is where I use something else to help mark. I can either make a mark, but I'm using a tile because I don't want to put a mark on the table. And I mark it to 30. Not the end of the ruler, because that'd be cheating myself. And then, I know that's 30 to there. I start at 0 again. Measure to the paper, 7. And it's halfway, or closer to halfway. So I'll round it to half. So that's 30 and 7, 37.5 centimetres. Now, in my task 2 card, I've already had 3 jumps. Not very good ones, but number 4 is going to be 37 and half of a centimetre, or I can write it 37 decimal point and 5/10, which is the same, whoops, a bit wobbly, as a half. They mean the same thing. Then I'm going to do 8 and circle my best jump to see if I am the world champion frog hopper. I'm going to try and see if I can get my frog to jump over this obstacle, which happens to be books. So if we line up the frogs up nice and close. Oh no! Let's try the green frog. No! Try again. No, too high for my frog.